Jspreadsheet is a JavaScript library that embeds spreadsheet controls directly into your web applications. Jspreadsheet is agnostic and runs across major frameworks and platforms. Empower your projects with over 400 Excel formulas. From freezing columns and rows, to advanced cross-calculations, keyboard shortcuts, XLSX import-export, and persistence data storage. Our JavaScript spreadsheet solution offers full-stack capabilities as well as real-time collaboration. It also runs on a smart visualization engine, allowing the management of huge datasets. Our documentation, organized in sections, provides everything you need to know to implement every feature. It includes step-by-step guides and examples. We also provide technical support. Whether you face a challenge, need guidance, or have technical questions, we are just a click away. From startups to Fortune 500 companies, businesses worldwide trust Jspreadsheet to help them build spreadsheet interfaces their users already know. Start your free trial today.